How to view your YouTube short draft. To do that, first of all, make sure to update your YouTube to its latest version so that you won't miss any feature. To do that, you can simply go on the Google Play Store and on the top section you will see the icon of search bar. After searching for YouTube on it, if there is the option of update given, then you can update it. If not, then your YouTube is already updated. If it is already updated, then you can open YouTube as you normally do. After opening the YouTube, to see the videos of shorts that you have saved in your draft, you can see on the bottom right section, there is your profile in the circle. After tapping on your profile, you will now see the interface like this. After seeing the interface like this, you can see the history and playlist and many other options. Now, you go and click on the playlist option. Click on View All. After tapping on the View All, you will again see two options with Watch Later and Liked Videos. You can see the videos which you have already liked and you can see the videos that you have saved here. After tapping on Watch Later option, now you can see these shots that you have saved in your playlist as a draft, and now you can simply watch the short videos from YouTube. I hope this video helped you. If you like our video, please do subscribe our channel.